Good morning from Gozo. As usual, right after breakfast, we were back on the move. Today, we hopped on bus number 311 and enjoyed the views for about 20 minutes before arriving at our destination. Dwejra used to be most famous for the Azure window, a natural limestone arch that sadly collapsed back in 2017 after a severe storm. Even without the arch, the area is packed with incredible natural spots to explore and see, like the inland sea, fungus rock, and the blue hole, which is our very first stop. Blue Hole is one of the most famous dive sites in Gozo. On the surface, it looks like a peaceful pool, but it drops down about 15 meters with a massive underwater arch 10 meters below the surface, connecting it straight to the open Mediterranean. Beyond the Blue Hole, the surrounding waters offers fantastic snorkeling on calm days. Gliding along the rock faces, you might spot brilliant orange star corals, a unique species that actually prefers the shaded, hidden nooks of the coastline. From above, you can really see how unique the inland sea is. This quiet lagoon connects to the open ocean through an 80-meter tunnel carved right through these massive limestone cliffs. Now down by the water, we are about to take a boat trip through the passage and check out the coast on the other side. Guided boat tour takes about 15 minutes and costs around €5. Just remember to bring cash. It's a super easy way to get out and explore the impressive ocean side of the area. After the boat ride, we take the walk back to the Blue Hole area and hop, or well, walk carefully into the sea for another swim.
Ready to go?
We easily could have spent a few more hours exploring the sea and soaking in the views, but we definitely would have ended up with the sunburned backs from snorkeling. It was the right time to catch the bus back to Victoria before we completely overdid it.
Gimana?
After dinner, I headed to the market to pick up some vital supplies for the room. Between all the travel and adventuring, the whole trip was really starting to catch up with us. So we turned in early to get ready for another big day tomorrow. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye!